Ako po si Audrey Hannah Cambas Reneo, 13 years old from Alaminos City, Pangasinan. My eldest sister po is nasa US and my middle sister po is nag-aaral po sa Baguio. Same with my brother po. Sometimes po, yes, it gets a little lonely po sa house. Growing up po, I was the princess of the house. I was always protected by my siblings kapag may umaaway po sa akin sa school. Sobrang thankful po ko sa kanila because when wala po yung mga mom and dad ko, lalo na po si mommy when she was in Saudi po, sila din po yung naging second parents ko po. My wish po is maging cool po kami when things get hard po. Lagi po akong alone sa house since my siblings, malayo po. If I had that one special day na complete kami, mag-swimming po kami sa beach.
Let's go! Let's go! Okay. Tapos na ang show. May nanalo na. May nanalo na. Okay, first of all, hi.
Anong pangalan mo, Iya?
Ako po si Audrey Hannah Cambas Reneo po.
Audrey, ilang taong ka na, Audrey?
13 years old po.
13 years old, tapos ganyang ka kumanta? Ito, this is the definition of pure soul.
Soul.
As in, kaluluwa yung kumakanta. It really comes from the heart. And ito yung mga tipong style na to na hindi kayang ituro. And you nailed it. As in,
Thank you po.
nailed
Thank you
it.
so much po.
Kung napapansin mo, not even 20 seconds sa music pa lang, yung unang run na ginawa mo, yung gumanong ka na, pinindot ko na. Because this girl is a champion.
I'm just really in awe of your talent. Yung runs na ginagawa mo throughout the whole song, grabe yung power mo. Nakikita mo tong jacket na to? Bagay eh. Kita mo oh.
Kanino po ba nagmana?
For a kid as young as you, yung soul at saka yung sound, ibang-iba eh. Sinong nagturo sa'yo kumanta or anong influences mo?
Yung una pong nagturo sa akin kumanta is actually my brother po.
Your brother!
Actually, we sang your song last time. Duet po kami.
Anong song, if I may ask, what song did you sing?
Leaves po.
Leaves! Would you like to sing Leaves with Paolo?
Excuse me. Why don't Ben and Ben just leaves?
Paolo, punta ka na doon!
Ang laki ng pintuan!
Let's go!
Please leaves us alone.
To forgive.
Grabe!
Ang galing mo, Audrey. Sumupo ka na, Pao.
Tsaka may dadagdag pala ako. Di ba yung kapatid mo yung nagturo sa'yo kumanta? Yung kapatid ko rin yung nagturo sa akin kumanta. Kaya, at home.
Tanungin na natin si Audrey kung sino ang pipiliin mong coach.
Eto na, Audrey.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay... Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay Ben and Ben po.
Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Salamat, Audrey. Salamat! Woo! Grabe! Sobrang galing! Gusto naming sabihin sa'yo na welcome sa Team Ben Kada. Talagang we will do the best kung ano man yung alam namin, kung ano man yung experience namin, at gagabayan ka namin. So welcome to Ben Kada! Woo! Let's go!
Congratulations. I'm sure you're gonna go a long, long way.
Magamit kaya ngayong gabi ang replay button? We will find out as the excitement builds up dito lang sa The Voice Kids.